Hi guys, my name is Giancarlo B. Omotoy, and for today I would like to present to you the two-stroke cycle of an reciprocating engine. But before we start, I would like to present to you the major components of an two-stroke engine. So, as you can see here, it does not have valves. So, it only have the spark plug, the piston, the connecting rod, the crankshaft, and the three ports, which is the exhaust, the intake, and the transfer port. So let's proceed. So as you can see here, it is a animation of a two-stroke cycle. So when the spark plug ignites the fuel and air mixture, it drives the piston downwards, creating a vacuum here, which lets the new fuel and air mixture goes in here. So when this reaches this part, it closes the transfer port and the intake port, and the burn gas goes out the exhaust port, and when it reaches this part, it opens the transfer port and lets the new batch of the air and fuel mixture goes in here, the combustion chamber. So as it goes upward again, it compresses the new fuel and air mixture, and once it reaches the top part, it ignites again. So we can conclude that two-stroke cycle completes its stroke with only one revolutionary of the crankshaft. So, so what is the difference between the two-stroke cycle and four-stroke cycle? So for me, the very visible difference is that the two-stroke doesn't have bulbs. In the four-stroke, uh, it does have two or four bulbs depending on which type of engine. Next is that in the two-stroke cycle, the four stages, which is the intake, compression, ignition, and exhaust, occur in only one revolution of the crankshaft. Whereas in a four-stroke engine, they take two complete revolutions. Advantages are the following. Simple mechanism. It has no valves. Lightweight, few moving parts, and low maintenance cost. Since there is a advantages, there is also a disadvantages. So the disadvantages are the following. Incomplete combustion. Carbon deposit on the piston head and exhaust port. Scavenging problems. Less efficient in terms of fuel economy due to part of the unburned charge is rejected during the transfer phase. And lastly, shorter lifespan.